Welcome back. It is the time of day when I say goodbye to you, but we've heard from the experts. We have also heard from the women themselves. And what I'd like to take away from today's show is the fact that women are cheek to cheek with men, shoulder to shoulder, let's say, if we don't want to say cheek to cheek. They are as serious about their careers as the men are. They are as effective. They are as efficient. A lot of times, much more so. There are some realities that I think the work environment has to deal with, that women do get married, women do have families, and they do eventually want to become mothers. But I'll take away from my conversation with Sadia that, one has to time one's career properly, and the time one needs to take off, it has to be calculated. As well as that, it is very important to be careful of how you're perceived. The second you walk into the office, the way you converse, too much perfume, too much makeup, how you dress, how efficient you are about your work. Don't go alone for lunches with colleagues. Always go in a group. If you do not want to become part of, office gossip. It is also very, very important to make sure that you are treated professionally and taken very seriously for your work. And I think that does happen. There are always misconceptions about people. I can tell you from my own experience, people tend to think that the media world is really scandalous and, oh my God, how do decent people survive in this industry? And I just think that's complete rubbish. I have always come across the most respectful and respectable individuals. I have always learnt that if you are decent to people and you respect people, they will always respect you back, and they will look after your interests as well. And it is also very important to keep in mind that you are spending 8, 9, 10 hours of your day in that environment. It should be a happy one, not a stressful and an inconvenient one. With that, I'm Sonia Rahman Qureshi. We love hearing from you, so please do email us at thefirstblast@dawnnews.tv, or you can SMS us. Time for me to say goodbye. Khuda Hafiz.